Hello, welcome to Simply Math. Today I'll show you how to do math induction. Let's look at our example for today. To do math induction, we have 3 simple steps. The first one is to prove that it is true for n equals 1. So on the left hand side, since we start with n equals 1, we're just going to have 1 because we don't have 2, 3, or all the other numbers. So it's just going to be 1 equals, and then you're just going to substitute 1 into this n. So we have 1 times 1 plus 1 over 2, which is 2 over 2, which is 1. And it is true. The second step we have is that we assume that what we're trying to prove is true. So you say assume, and we're just going to rewrite all of this is true. So you don't really have to do anything for the second step. And then lastly, step 3. Step 3 is where we have a lot more work to do. This is when we prove that it is true for n plus 1. This also means that you're going to rewrite the left hand side and then add n plus 1 in there. And then for the right hand side, instead of n, we're going to do n plus 1. And n plus 1, we're going to add another one, which is 2. Okay, so from here, we're trying to show that these two sides are equal. You can solve both of them at the same time. And then at the end, you can say that they're equals. However, it is a lot easier if you just solve one side at a time. Usually, we're going to start with the left-hand side. So the left-hand side, if you look at it, this part right here is what we assume is true in step 2. So we know that this part is equals to that. Over 2. And we still have n plus 1 right here. So we're trying to make this side equals to the other side. So now we're just using algebra to make this side look like the other side. So right here, this one have a denominator of 2. So I'll turn it into a common denominator. So this stay the same because we haven't done anything to it. On this side, now that it has a denominator of 2, I'll have to multiply 2 to the whole thing. Now on top, we have a common factor of n plus 1. So I'll take that out. If I take n plus 1 out of the first term, I'll have an n left. And if I take it out of the second term, I'll have plus 2 left. And now it looks like the right-hand side. So I'll just say equals right-hand side. And that's it. So again, the 3 steps of math induction are proving that it is true for n equals to 1. The second one is that assume whatever it gives us is true. And then the last one is proving that it is true for n plus 1. Whenever you get to the third step, look back to the second step and see what you can use from there. Then you're just proving that one side is equals to the other side. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any question or topic that you would like me to make a video about, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.